Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best LG Smart TV is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly entertainment hubs you can bring into your home, offering a seamless blend of stunning visuals, intuitive navigation, and access to a universe of content right at your fingertips, making it an essential upgrade for any modern living room. Number 5. LG Smart TV Remote Control Replacement. Introducing a universal replacement remote designed for all LG Smart TVs. It's the perfect solution for your television needs. Experience enhanced performance with an upgraded remote offering a transmitting distance of over 35 feet and quick response times. Its durable ABS material ensures longevity and safety. Enjoy added convenience with dedicated shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix and Video. It's ideal for replacing your old or damaged remote. Getting started is effortless. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to use immediately. No complex programming or setup is required. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance finding the right remote, please contact us. We'll respond within 12 business hours. What we like. This remote is a straightforward replacement for any LG TV. It offers convenient shortcut buttons for popular streaming services like Netflix. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss option to replace a lost or broken remote and want quick access to your favorite shows, this is the one for you. What people say. The LG Smart TV has a sleek and modern design that enhances the look of any room. The picture quality is outstanding, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make watching movies and shows a truly immersive experience. The smart features are intuitive and easy to use, allowing seamless access to streaming services and apps. Number 4. Voice Magic Remote for LG Smart TV. Introducing the Voice Magic Remote, the perfect replacement for your LG Smart TV remote. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of LG TV models, bringing advanced control right to your fingertips. Navigate your favorite shows and apps with ease using the intuitive pointer and powerful voice control. Simply speak your commands to find content or adjust settings, making your viewing experience more immersive. This remote is compatible with numerous LG Smart TV series, including OLED, NanoCell, and UHD models. It's designed to replace various LG remote part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your television. Pairing is quick and straightforward. Just insert new batteries, turn on your TV, and follow a few simple button presses to connect it. You'll be ready to go in no time. Experience stable and precise control from up to 40 feet away. It offers a rapid response time of less than 0.1 seconds, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted interaction with your TV. Your purchase includes one Voice Magic remote control and an instruction manual. We also offer 100 days of after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like. Experience a new level of interaction with this advanced remote. Its pointer and voice control features make navigating your LG Smart TV effortless. If you're seeking a more intuitive and futuristic way to control your TV, especially if you have a newer LG model with ThinQ or WebOS, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The LG Smart TV offers a seamless integration with smart home devices, allowing for voice control of various functions. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly navigation make it easy to access streaming services and apps. The picture quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and sharp details that enhance the viewing experience. Number 3. LG Smart TV Remote Control Replacement. Introducing a universal replacement remote designed for all LG Smart TVs. It's compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your television. This remote is compatible with LG Smart LCD, LED, HD TV, UHD, OLED, 3D, and 4K TVs. Enjoy seamless control over your viewing experience. Equipped with upgraded smart chips, it offers precise control from up to 12 meters away. Experience lightning-fast response times, less than 0.2 seconds, for instant command. No programming or setup is needed. Simply insert the included batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box for immediate convenience. Tested for over 160,000 clicks, this remote is built for durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for all your TV control needs. We are committed to providing excellent after-sales service. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us directly for assistance. What we like. This option simplifies the replacement process by including the necessary batteries. It boasts broad compatibility with numerous LG TV models and ensures a quick, responsive connection. If you want a hassle-free purchase where everything you need is in the box and you prioritize a fast, reliable performance, consider this remote. What people say. This TV has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any living room. The smart features are incredibly intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing quick access to all your favorite apps and streaming services. Picture quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that make movies and shows come alive. Number 2. LG Smart TV Remote Control. Introducing a high-grade remote control designed for all LG Smart TV models. It's the perfect replacement for your old or damaged remote. This remote is compatible with a vast range of LG Smart TV models, including specific part numbers like AKB75095307 and many others. If you have an LG Smart TV, this is likely the one for you. Experience farther transmitting distance and stable performance with this remote. It covers all the functions you need, just like the original. Its small and compact size makes it easy to grip and comfortable to hold. You won't have to worry about it slipping from your hands. Getting started is incredibly easy. No programming or complicated setup is required. Just insert batteries, and it works right away. Please note that batteries are not included. You will need to purchase 2 AAA batteries separately and insert them to begin using your new remote. What we like. Designed for comfort and ease of use, this remote features a compact, easy-to-grip design. It works right out of the box with no programming required and offers a stable connection from further away. If you prioritize a comfortable feel in your hand and a reliable, long-range connection without any setup hassle, this is a great choice. What people say. The LG Smart TV has a sleek and modern design that complements any living room. The picture quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Navigating the smart features is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing easy access to streaming apps and other online content. Number 1. LG Smart TV Replacement Remote Control AKB75095307. Introducing the ultimate replacement remote for your LG Smart TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with all your LG models, including LED, OLED, UHD, and more. Get started right away. This remote works straight out of the box with no complicated settings. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to perfectly replace your original. Experience lightning-fast response times, under 0.2 seconds, with soft, anti-dust silicone buttons. It's built to last, supporting over 150,000 clicks. Enjoy accurate control from up to 10 meters away. Its strong infrared signal ensures multi-angle induction for precise commands, even from a distance. Crafted from durable, recyclable ABS material, this remote is eco-friendly and safe for your health. You can be confident in its longevity and environmental responsibility. We stand by our product with a 45-day return service. If you have any questions, our support team will respond within 12 hours to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This universal remote offers peace of mind with an extended 2-year warranty and is constructed from durable, eco-friendly materials. It provides a quick response time and works instantly without any setup. If you value long-term reliability, environmental consciousness, and a seamless user experience, this is the smart pick for your LG TV. What people say. The LG Smart TV offers a seamless integration with smart home devices, allowing for voice control of various functions. Its sleek, minimalist design complements any living room decor, and the picture quality is exceptionally vibrant with deep blacks. The WebOS interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, providing quick access to streaming apps and other features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.